Hi everyone, just some more grainy VHS footage of my restored H1a 500. This is back in the mid-90s, bit of nostalgia for you. That's just coming out with its vac bag. I used to wrap it up for the winter in a vacuum bag. God knows where I got that garage coat from. Always been in anorak. Don't scratch it. Suppose you'd say now, I wish I hadn't sold it, but there we go, a long time ago. I think 2005 I think I sold it. Probably worth about 13 or 14 grand now I think. I sold it for about 5. That noise is just my ex-wife wrapping up the vac bag. I was a bit of fiddle to start it once it had been wrapped up for the winter, so just to take a while to actually start running smooth. Now it's right now, just about going. Obviously kicks off on 1-2 cylinders and finally fires up to 3. Come on. Bit of fiddle with the choke and then it's away. You either like that noise or you don't. Okay, just for you nostalgia fans, hope you enjoyed that. Bye.